So in the complex number, today we will solve some example. Find the value of x and y. Let's start example. 2x plus 3yi is equal to 4 plus 12i. So to solve such kind of equation, we have to use the relation a plus ib is equal to c plus id. Then we compare the real part and imaginary part, a equal to c and b is equal to d. So in the both side we have the standard form, a plus ib, c plus id. So in this example, here we have also the standard form. It is a plus ib, c plus id. So 2x plus 3yi is equal to 4 plus 12i. So now we can compare the real and imaginary part on both sides. So we take 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. X is equal to 2. Now compare the imaginary part. 3y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 by 3. Y is equal to 4. So we have find the value of x and y. Let's start the next example. 2y minus 5 plus 4 minus 2x into I is equal to 0. Here on the left hand side we have the standard form a plus ib, but on the right hand side we have only 0. But 0 can be right 0 plus 0 I. Every number can be right as a complex number. So 0 can be right 0 plus 0 I. So here we have 2y minus 5 plus 4 minus 2x into I is equal to 0 plus 0 I. So now on the both side we have the standard form. So we use this relation. Compare the real and imaginary part. 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Real part, here 2y minus 5 is the real part, and on the right hand side 0 is the real part. So 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 by 2. Now compare the imaginary part. 4 minus 2x is equal to 0. So 4 is equal to 2x and x is equal to 4 by 2. So we have x is equal to 2. We get x and y. Next, x plus 5yi is equal to xi plus y plus 4. So on the left hand side we have the standard form a plus ib, but on the right hand side we arrange the standard form. First we write the real part. Real part y plus 4, both are real number. So we take y plus 4 as a real part. So we put in this bracket. What is the remaining term? It is xi. Xi is the imaginary part. So plus xi. So now we have the standard form on both sides. A plus ib is equal to c plus id. So compare the real and imaginary part. Here on the left hand side x is the real part, and on the right hand side y plus 4 is the real part. So x is equal to y plus 4, and compare the imaginary part. So 5y is equal to x. It is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. 5y is equal to x. So y is equal to x by 5 we can write. So y is equal to x by 5 put in equation number 1. So we take y is equal to x by 5. So x plus x by 5 plus 4. So we can write x minus x by 5 is equal to 4. Take the LCM. 5x minus x by 5 is equal to 4. 5x minus x is 4x, and 5 is multiplied with 4. 4x is equal to 4 into 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. 4x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 4. So we have x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 we put in this equation number 2. 5y is equal to x. 5y is equal to x. Now put x is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 by 5. Y is equal to 1. So we get x and y. Next, 3x minus 7 plus 2iy is equal to 5y plus 5 plus xi. Find x and y. 3x minus 7 plus 2yi, it is in the standard form a plus ib. Now on the right hand side 5y plus 5 plus x into I. So here also given the standard form c plus id. So now we can compare real and imaginary part. compare real and imaginary part, we get 3x minus 7 is equal to 5y. So we can write this equation as 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. Now compare the imaginary part. 2y is equal to 5 plus x. So here we have equation x minus 2y is equal to minus 5. We give it equation number 2 and it is equation number 1. Now to solve such linear equation, we multiply equation 2 with 3 and subtract equation 1 and 2. So first equation we write as it is, 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. Here this equation we multiply with 3, so it is 3x minus 6y minus 15. 3x minus 6y minus 15. Subtract this equation, so we change the sign, minus plus plus. 3x is cancelled. Now minus 5y plus 6y is y, and 7 plus 15 is 21. So we have y is equal to 21. Put y is equal to 21 in equation number 2. So x minus 2y is equal to minus 5. Now we can write x is equal to minus 5 plus 2y. So x is equal to minus 5 plus 2, y is 21. So x is equal to minus 5 plus 21 into 2 is 42. 42 minus 5 is 37. So we have x and y. Next, 1 minus I whole square upon 3 plus I is equal to x minus iy. Then find x minus y. Here want to find x minus y. To find x minus y, we have to find first what is x and y. Let's see. 1 minus I whole square upon 3 plus I is equal to x plus iy. Here on the right hand side we have the standard form, but on the left hand side we need to simplify here. So 1 minus I whole square can be write 1 minus 2y plus I square. We use the formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 1 minus 2y plus I square, 3 plus I as it is equal to x plus iy. Now we know I square is minus 1. So 1 minus 2y minus 1 upon 3 plus I is equal to x plus iy. 1 cancel, so minus 2y upon 3 plus I is equal to x plus iy. Now we have the complex number in division, so we have to take the conjugate of the denominator. 3 plus I, the conjugate of 3 plus I is 3 minus I. So minus 2I into 3 minus I, and in the denominator 3 plus I into 3 minus I is equal to x plus iy. So multiply here, minus 2I into 3 is minus 6I, minus minus plus 2I square. Now here a plus b into a minus b in the denominator, so a square minus b square, so 3 square minus I square is equal to x plus iy. So again here I square is minus 1, so minus 6I, this plus is convert into minus 2, minus 6I minus 2. Here I square is also equal to minus 1, so minus minus plus 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1, minus 6I minus 2 upon 9 plus 1 is equal to x plus iy. So 9 plus 1 is 10. We write minus 2 minus 6I divided by 10 is equal to x plus iy. Now the denominator is divided in both term. Minus 2 upon 10 minus 6 upon 10 into I is equal to x plus iy. So now here on the both side we have the standard form a plus ib, c plus id. Minus 2 by 10, so it is minus 1 by 5, and minus 6 by 10 is 3 by 5. I is equal to x plus iy. Now compare the real and imaginary part. We get here on the left hand side real part is minus 1 by 5, and on the right hand side real part is x. So x is equal to minus 1 by 5, and compare the imaginary part, minus 3 by 5 is equal to y. So we have x and y. Now find x minus y. So minus 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5, minus minus plus, so minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, take the LCM, minus 1 plus 3 by 5 is 2 by 5. Thank you.